Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to start a profitable side hustle but you don't want to break the bank to get started, this video is for you. Today we are going to go over on how to create a profitable side hustle in just 30 days. With low cost or even no cost business ideas. Yes guys, so whether you want to start up a content creation or drop shipping or even online tutoring, I have gotten a step-by-step tutorial guide on how you can start up this side hustle and it will be running at low cost. So let's dive right into the video. First, I want to clarify what side hustle is. Side hustle is a part-time job or a main source of income. A good side hustle requires a minimal setup cost. It should be something that fits into your lifestyle. It is something that will always resonate with you, something that it is very easy for you to do, something that when you remember doing it, you are happy, you are excited within you, not something that when you remember that you want to do it, your mind will fly, you start thinking, how do I go about it? Now let's break it down step by step on how to build a profitable side hustle in just 30 days. Step 1, choose your side hustle idea. The first thing that you need to do is to choose your side hustle. The greater news is there are tons of profitable side hustle that you can start with very little upfront investment. Here are a few options that works well with the beginner. 1. Drop shipping. Drop shipping allows you to sell products online without ever having to store inventory. Yes, you create an online store, partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. And you can only make payment when someone makes a purchase. You partner with platforms like Spotify and WooCommerce. Yes, platforms like Spotify and WooCommerce makes it easy to set up. Online tutoring and coaching. If you have expertise in a subject, online tutoring can be a great option. Whether it is helping kids with maths or teaching new language, there are platforms like VIP Kids where you can start online tutor and set your own rates and make money. Yes, another one is coaching. Coaching is a very lucrative in an online space. It's helping people to achieve their desired goal, be it health-wise, be it fitness, be it career coaching. Yes, you can venture into online tutoring or coaching and make money. The third one is content creation. If you are good at creating content, you can start a blog, YouTube channel, or even a TikTok account. You don't need fancy setup. With your smartphone and few basic tools, it is enough for you to get started. Yes, guys. The fourth one is freelancing. Whether you are a writer, a graphic designer, a social media manager, freelancing is a great way to earn money without investing much. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr will help you. Yes, they will help you to get your clients faster. So you can think of any of this. We are going down in step 2. But before that, pick one that resonates with you. It should be something that you're passionate about or at least an interest to be able to learn about it more. Yes, you will be putting serious work when doing that. So that is why it is important for you to choose wisely. Step 2, set up your platform. Now that you have chosen your hustle, let's get into the setup. Yes, this can take somewhere from few days to 1 week, depending on what you choose. So let's go to the setup process of the option mentioned above. Drop shipping. If you are doing drop shipping, you will want to open an online store. Yes, you can use a Shopify, which is beginner friendly. Yes, to do a free trial or a WooCommerce. Yes, but if you have gotten a WordPress website, you can choose your niche carefully. Think of products that you can sell and make sure there are demands for them. Yes, you can also do it by using a reliable supplier like AliExpress. Online tutoring and coaching. Yes, sign up for online tutoring platform like VipKid, Reply. Yes, any online that you know that you can teach, that you can tutor people or coach people online, sign up on any of those platforms or any of those websites. Yes, Set up your own profile and highlight your strengths. Make sure that you include your qualifications. If you have any qualification, make sure that you include them in that your profile, your experience, and any certificates that you have. Then if you are tutoring independently, create a website or even a social media page to advertise your services. Content creation. For content creation, first decide on your niche. That is niche down. We have so many niche that you can go into in content creation. We have fitness niche, we have cooking niche, we have beauty niche, we have tech niche, we have so many niche. Yes, after deciding on your niche that you want to go into, then you choose your platform. After choosing that platform, set it up. Remember, we are in step 2 on how you can set up your profitable side hustle. Set up your platform. Platform like YouTube is a great platform that you can share your long form video. Yes, whereas platform like TikTok, Instagram go so well with a short form engaging video. Yes, you see, you can decide to go into all the platform if you have the strength, if you know you can do it. Yes, after choosing those platforms, also invest in a decent microphone and lightning. Yes, if you are planning to create videos, that is it for content creation. Freelancing. Create a profile on Upwork, Fiverr or freelancer.com. Yes, filling it out with your relevant experience. Yes, even if you don't have much, yeah, even if it's a small project that you have done, fill it out there. The most important thing and the key here is to get started and build your portfolio. Yeah, don't worry if you don't have a tons and tons of experience. The clients here are looking for people who are willing to work, who are dedicated to their work, and who are willing to work and deliver their work to them. So don't worry, gradually you will build your own portfolio. Step number 3, start marketing and getting clients. Now that you have gotten your platform set up, it is time that you start marketing yourself, start putting the work out there. Yeah, to start looking for clients. Yeah, your first couple of weeks, you will use it to start marketing your side hustle. Put your side hustle out there so that people will know that you are into this. This is what you use your first couple of weeks to do, to market yourself and finding yourself a client. For drop shipping, start driving traffic to your website. You can do this by doing social media marketing. Yeah, create an engaging post in your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, to drag traffic to your website or to your pages. Yes, you can also run a paid ad on Facebook or even on Google Ads. Yes, by so doing, you are dragging traffic to your page and website. Yes, the key here is to target the right audience that is already looking for the product in your niche. So do any of this by driving traffic to your pages or websites or paid for ad and get your targeted audience. Online tutoring or coaching. Yeah, if you are tutoring on a platform, you are likely to be matched with students already. Yeah, but if you are going solo, you will have to do the work by yourself. Reach out to local schools, community centers, or even you can advertise on social media like Facebook, Google Ads, like we said earlier. Yes, to get your targeted audience. Yes, word of mouth here is the key. Yeah, also ask your initial student for referrals. This will help you to grow your portfolio. Content creation. Yes, post consistency. Consistency is the key in the content creation. Yes, this is the main thing in content creation. And don't also forget to make use of SEOs, keywords. Yes, make use of keywords, searchable keywords that people are looking for. Yes, on YouTube, when you are doing your title, when you are titling your videos, make sure you optimize your videos with the searchable keywords and your blog post. Yes, leverage on social media like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter to grow your brand. Yes, guys, that is for content creation. Freelancing. Start bidding for jobs on freelancing platforms. Yeah, the first few gigs might not really pay a lot, but it will help you to build a portfolio. Yeah, offer your services at a competitive rate to attract clients. You can now start increasing your price when you must have gained experience and a positive review from your client whom you have worked for. That is how freelancing services go and grow. Yes, guys. Step 4, optimize and improve. By now, you must have few clients. Yes, from some traffic from your dropshipping store or your content post. So now is the right time for you to start optimizing and improving your hustle. For dropshipping, test different products or ads to find out what is working. You can equally consider using email marketing to keep your customers engaged and equally get a repeated sales. Yes, that is for dropshipping. Online tutoring or coaching. Focus on improving your lesson plans and getting positive reviews. The more positive feedback that you get, the more customers and the more students you will attract. Yeah. Content creation. Look at your analytics. Yeah, what kind of content are getting most viewed and engagement? Double down on what is working. Yes, on that type of content. Yes, you can actually explore other monetization options like YouTube paid ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship. That is what you should look at in content creation. As for freelancing, yeah, build up a strong portfolio and start increasing your rates. Yeah, the more satisfied clients you get, the more satisfied clients you have, the more opportunity you will get for your freelancing side hustle. Remember, the goal isn't just to start, but to keep improving each day. If you stay consistent, keep learning and optimizing, you will see the growth. That is just it. There you have it. In just 30 days, you can launch a profitable side hustle, whether it's online tutoring, content creation, drop shipping, freelancing. It does not really matter the one that you venture into. The key is to start, stay consistency, and optimize as you go. Once you stick to this, you will be surprised, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can start earning. Yes. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like the video. Also, comment in the comment section below any side hustle that you found interesting and the one you want to venture into, or the one you think I did not mention in the video. Also, please also hit the subscription button to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to let you know whenever I post a brand new video, especially on side hustle. You can also check out my other videos to see a profitable business idea that you can start this year, and also see business idea you can venture into as a woman and proven ways you can start a business. Please do well to check out my other videos. See you in my next one. Bye.